Well, the time has finally come that I have to tackle the wiring. So I got all my charts for my center console, got the LS harness wiring diagram. I have basically what is all the where the power feeds are. Over here we have all the door poppers, wireless, LEDs, anything, you know, that has to do with that. This is actually the actual wire diagrams of everything I custom made, which is pages and pages. And then future stuff, because I have to wait till the body is to put my reverse lights on. And of course, Street Rod Gym, baby. Alright, so now we're looking at this mess, and I'm just going to start detangling it. And my biggest issue is trying to figure out how the big hose that you see there is going to actually fit. So I'm going to try to wire all this stuff up to the firewall, but make sure that I still have room to get the hose through. So that's kind of the unknown at this point. So I'm going to do my best to kind of unravel, see where things are, and I think it's just going to be a slow process because I haven't done this in like, I don't know, a year and a half, and so it's like I'm just slowly remembering and getting all this stuff out first and kind of reacclimating. It just slowly kind of comes back, so we'll see what happens. So I got a decent amount of work done. However, this really isn't going to fit with the air conditioner. So I'm going to have to lose that and, I don't know, move it somewhere else, or I'm not really sure. There's just so much wiring. And you know, the Holly system's great, but it's built for a regular car, which has maybe, you know, a foot between the engine, or 2 feet between the engine and the dash. And this has 1 inch. And so I just have all this extra wiring, which I just couldn't imagine tearing apart and resoldering. That would just be a nightmare because there's a crap load of wires. So I don't know. I'm really not sure what to do. And, you know, then there's this. And what really is annoying is the car worked. And so if I had to do this again, I would have finished the firewall, insulated and everything, and wired this once. That's what I would have done. I just really didn't know what I was getting into. However, proof of concept, we know it works. Now it's just trying to get everything wrapped into one bundle, and I might have to cut down the harness. There's certain wires that you're not allowed to cut, like the gas pedal brake wire, so I have to coil it up. However, that's a small wire. The rest of the stuff is just super, super huge, and I don't know, man. I don't know. This one's a beast. So I'm not really sure. And, you know, when I laid it all out originally, I kind of laid it out in a way that it wouldn't get tangled up, but you can see how that worked out. So I'm pretty much going to have to possibly start from scratch, and just because it's all just interconnected and into each other, and it's insane, but we'll figure it out.